Good morning friends, myself Hitesh Raigagla representing Embicon group of companies. We deals in industrial automation, material handling and IoT solutions. In material handling solutions, we are manufacturing of EOT cranes, JIB cranes, semi-Goliath cranes, wire rope hoist, crane hoist and chain hoist with also spares. In material handling solution, we are manufacturing of EOT cranes, JIB cranes, semi-Goliath cranes, wire rope hoist, chain hoist and crane spares. Recently, we have participated in Engiexpo Rajkot and Pune. We have good experience with the Engiexpo teams. We are getting good growth and good sales and inquiries in the Engiexpos. We are also planning for the next Vadodara and Jaipur Engiexpo.